2 weeks ago, I asked Mark McCann to buy me a crash-damaged car to kick off my new series with. I'm Stefan, this is Silverback Salvage, and here's how it went. So right now, I'm really bored. So I'm going to give my mate Mark McCann a call and see if we can set him a challenge and see if he can do something for us. So I'm just going to spin you around and we'll give him a bell.
Good afternoon.
Hello, mate. How we doing?
Not bad, you?
Yeah, not bad. I'm a bit bored, though. I've had our first weekend since Manchester and we've got nothing to do.
I got loads of stuff here for you to do.
Well, I want to set you a challenge, mate.
Okay.
I want to give you $5,000.
Thank you.
And I want you to go out and find me a crash-damaged car. That's going to be my first car of my new series where I'm going to try and trade up as we go.
Love it.
So you got $5,000 and then there's a couple of stipulations.
Okay.
It's got to be sporty.
Right, okay.
It's got to be under 100,000 miles.
Right, okay.
And it cannot be white because the missus is going to be driving this car and she hates white cars.
Okay, so let me just get it straight. If it's white, do you get in trouble?
I definitely get in trouble. Please tell me you've not got me a white car.
Depends how dirty it is. Okay? Okay.
So that's what I need. You got 2 weeks to find me something because I've got stuff planned for the next 2 weekends. After that, I've got nothing.
So how crash damage are we talking?
I don't want it too bad. For my first one, let's just ease me in. Few parts and panels that I need to replace.
Yeah, no worries. All right, exciting.
Yeah.
I will get on the Tinterweb and try and find you something.
Thanks, mate. I'll talk to you soon. Hello.
Hello.
I've just got your message. You've got me a motor.
I have succeeded in the challenge.
Have you succeeded on every point?
Yeah, ish.
Okay. So, well, I gave you a few stipulations, didn't I? So, under $5,000. Did you keep it within budget?
I did, yes, but then I didn't realise there was co-part fees.
Okay, so how much have we gone over?
A few £100, you'll be fine. It's about 500 quid, but it'd be fine.
Is it sporty?
Yes, it's definitely a sporty car, 100%.
So it ticks the box on sporty?
100%, you'll like it.
All right, and the third stipulation, the most important one, was it cannot be white because the missus will kill me. So please tell me you've not got me a white car.
Depends how dirty it is, okay?
Right.
And how far away you stood. But just remember, when I asked you, you clearly said that you were going to be in trouble.
So you brought me a white car. Right.
I can't say. I cannot say. It's been delivered on Tuesday, so make sure on Tuesday. Okay. And then it's been rolled 4 times, but don't worry about that.
So it's only slightly crash damaged.
It's rolled, but yeah, it's fine because you're just going to need a shell, 4 wheels, an engine, a gearbox. But apart from that, it's perfect.
Oh, so we've got some interior to go from.
Yeah, that's probably most of that smash. But no, it's not too bad. Yeah. A man of your capabilities, I know you can fix it. Probably you need to fix the colour as well, but I'm not going to tell you exactly what colour it is.
Are you going to tell me what it is yet?
No, you've got to wait till Tuesday. Right, one. Okay, it's German.
Oh.
And Germans do great cars.
They do. There is a lot of great German cars.
Great cars, sausage and porn. That's what them guys are good at. Those are 3 key parts of life. So
are you going to make me wait till Tuesday to find out what it is?
Yes, it's German and it's white-ish.
It's German and it's white.
Good news, only 61,000 miles.
Oh, so you kept it under 100 then? That's good.
I tried to get 64,000, but I couldn't find anything. I'm looking forward to seeing it finished.
Oh, yeah, well, fingers crossed. Hopefully it's not too bad and we'll see how we get on.
Yeah, and then obviously we are splitting the profits on this, aren't we? Just making sure.
Yeah, I was going to send you...
I've done all the hard work.
I was going to send you over to Turkey to get your teeth topped up.
Oh, brilliant. In case anyone's watching this, they are real. I've just had a toothbrush as a child. I was made to brush my teeth.
Everybody loves it. Right, well, thank you very much, Mark, and I'll give you a call on Tuesday once we've got it.
Enjoy the hard work. Cheers, Steph.
Cheers, mate. Bye-bye. Okay, so we've just got the call from Mark. The delivery is about 5 minutes out, so I'm going to head outside, get it rolling up, and we'll show you the first look at the car. All right, so I've just got a glimpse of it on the back of the transporter sat at the end of the road there. If it is what I think it is, it's not a bad first car, so let's get excited. Alright, so here it is in all its dirty glory. It's a 2010 Audi S3. So yes, it's got a bit of front end damage, but that's fine. There's also a bit of a grinding noise when we pull forward, but we can sort that out. So, it's obviously very filthy. I'm going with the fact that it was a girl's car before, because it's got pink and green sparkles in the wheels, with purple dice caps. All the badges everywhere have been changed to purple badges. Lots of lip gloss and stuff in the front, and smellies, flowers that were hanging off the interior mirror. So yeah, I think it's going to be a great project to get started with. There's obviously definitely some work that he's doing with it. Let's get the bonnet popped and have a look underneath. So again, under there it's pretty filthy, but it's got an aftermarket intake. It's also got an aftermarket exhaust on it. Ram air filter. Let's have a look inside the oil cap. No creaminess, so that's always good. Get this part round on the driveway because it's got no plates at the minute. And then I'm going to go order some parts. So let's get going, shall we? Right, so yeah, we're going to give it a run. It does seem to sound a little bit lumpy on startup, but I'm wondering if that's because it's got literally no fuel in it. I chucked a couple of litres in from a jerry can, but we're going to go put some proper fuel in it now. So yeah, we're going to give it a quick drive, see how it goes. I also hate that exhaust. I can't believe, like, I've taken it for a drive. I've done about 12 miles. It had a little bit of a misfire before I started. Got some fuel in it, that cleared up. It pulls like an absolute train. This thing is unbelievable. Like, compared to the ST, it makes the ST feel like a 1 litre Fiesta. It is insane. So I'll be interested once you've got this fixed up to get it on a rolling road. But and then I'm going to jump in the Transit and I'm going to go pick up bonnet and front wings that we need to fix this. I'm going to try and save the bumper. So if I can save the bumper, it saves me about 500 quid. So, you know, it's good to try and save the bumper. But yeah. Right, so we have a gloss black bonnet and a set of white wings. Also picked up a new centre console there. So massive thanks to Nathan at NJW Breakers. I'll put his link in the description below. He's got a little Aladdin's cave in there of all sorts of VAG parts. So if you need anything, definitely check him out. But let's get this lot home. So the idea was I was actually going to fix the car in this first video, have it all done in one go. But I've got a problem. The car's got locking wheel nuts. I don't have a locking wheel nut key for it, so I've ordered a locking wheel nut key. I'm already 2 weeks behind where I wanted to be. And to replace what I need to replace, I have to get the front wheels off. The car's lowered, I just can't get my hands in there. So I do have all the parts. Got front wings over there, got one bonnet there. I've actually got 2 bonnets. I've got another bonnet underneath as well. And then of course I've got the front bumper with all the fog lights and everything in that we're missing. So I need to ask you guys, when I put this replacement bumper on, do I keep this aftermarket honeycomb grille? Or do I switch it back to the standard S3 grille? I'm in 2 minds at the minute, so let me know what you think. For now, what I'm going to try and do is obviously fix a couple of bits that I can do. So we've got a problem with the gearbox where it doesn't return, so I'm going to see if I can get that sorted now. So let's get the air intake off and see what we can do. So where we need to get to, I think, to fix the issue we've got is where the clutch cable feeds to. I'm hoping you can roughly see where my hand is. It's just down here. So what I'm going to do is take this section of the air intake off. Hopefully I can get to it. I can then get some lithium grease in there and work the bit that we're struggling with backwards and forwards. So let's get this taken off and then see if we can fix it. Right, so that's not really made a difference. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take the gator off inside the car and just see if I can see anything under the centre console. So I'll try and get you set up so you can see that. So it's a bit difficult, like as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, there's not much in there. There's like this little plastic rubber gator that sits over the top. But yeah, there's not much in there. I'm going to try and have a dig around, see if I can work anything out. Right, I'm going to put a little bit of lithium grease in there. Don't know if it's a good idea, bad idea, we'll soon find out, won't we? So the missus has just bought me a Frappuccino and I'm sat here contemplating. Spraying lithium grease in there hasn't made a difference, nor at the front end. So from what I know about these gearboxes, they're internally sprung, which means if it's the spring that's failed inside the gearbox, it's a pain in the arse. I know this is quite a common issue. So until I get that locking wheel nut, there's not really anything else I can do now. I could rip out this glove box, but that's we'll save that for the next video, when hopefully I literally do everything that needs doing on this car. So for now, let me know. Keep the original S3 grille, put the honeycomb grille in. Series is going to be a great progressive series. We're starting off with this car at 5 grand, and by the end of it, we want to be able to purchase a supercar. So we're going to hope to trade up every time, looking to do 10 cars in the next 10 months. So we'll see how we get on. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. It's going to be a great journey. Hopefully we're going to get lots of other people involved. Obviously, thank you to Mark for being involved in this one. But yeah, hopefully we'll have some more progress next video. Well, like I say, got absolutely everything we need to finish it next video. So yeah, see you then. Peace out.